Hi friends, this is Harsha again. Welcome to the Programming World for VI channel. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about the operations that are there in the string. So friends, if you like this kind of programming tutorials, please click subscribe button, and if you like this video friends, after watching, click like button. Thank you. As I told friends, in this video we are going to concentrate about the operations that are performed in the string. So friends, we are not going to use the PyCharm and all in this tutorial. To make it short and sweet, friends, we are going to use the Python interpreter, that is command line interpreter. So what I will do in this tutorial is I will show one by one string methods, means the function of string and what it will do. Hope you will understand. Friends, in the previous videos you saw about what is a string and how to format a string. So those concepts that I have done in previous videos. So if you don't know that, I request you to watch the previous videos and come to this. So I'm using my NVDA screen reader, and I'm starting the Python command prompt.
Run dialog. Type the name of a program, comma Python C :/users /Harsha HD.
So I started the Python command prompt. Friends, for now I'll just define some string variables now.
A equals quote C comma space C plus comma space PYTON comma space JAVA comma space KOTLIN quote greater.
So what I done is I defined a variable called a and assigned the value of string called C, C++, Java, Kotlin, Python. So what are the programming languages that are there? I assigned that. Then I will define the b variable now.
B equals quote A PPLE comma space BANANA comma space CARROT comma quote greater.
So I defined b as apple, banana, carrot, like that. So I defined some fruits and vegetable names. Then friends, what are the operations are there in the string? So normally friends, a string operation is similar to what you will do in the text, means like finding and replacing, and finding the position of some character, and converting the lowercase alphabets or lowercase text into uppercase, or vice versa. These are all methods, friends. It is inbuilt in Python, and also like counting how much time a character appeared in the string, like that. Let us see some operations that are performed in the string, friends. First, friends, I want to find the position where the C++ exists in the a variable. So what I will do is I will use the function called as find. I will type a variable name
A
and I will use dot operator.
dot
So hence the function belongs to the string, friends. We must prepend a and dot, means a means here the variable that contains the string data, and the dot is an operator to access those function. And I will type find.
FIND left parent
Find, open the quotation mark,
quote
C++.
C quote right parent
So I'll press enter.
3 greater.
So it is there in the third position, means set of character in the string is started from is usually started from 0, means we will call it as index. So the position, means the normal position, what we will call it as index. For example, if you open a notepad and if you open a file, so it will be there on the first character of the whole text. So that what we will call that position is, we will call it as position number 0. So always the position starts with 0. So in programming language we call it as index. So here C++ means it gave the position as 3. How it gave? So in A we defined, first starting we defined C. So it is the position number 0 and comma the position number 1. Then we gave space position number 2. Then we gave C++. It's start from position number 3. Hence we got to know that C++ exists in the means C++ starts from position number 3, means index number 3. Then what is the use of that index, friends? So I will show what is the use. If we know the index, friends, we can access like print
T, left parent. A, left bracket.
open the bracket, three
colon,
double colon. So if I write like this and press right bracket and I will close the bracket,
right parent.
So I'll press enter now.
C++, comma, Python, comma, Java, comma, Kotlin, greater.
So it skipped the the word called C. So we got the list of what programming languages such as C++, Java, Python. So if we want only the the character, means we do not want entire string after the C++. So we want only the character, means
P-R-I-N-T, left parent. A, left bracket. 3, right bracket, right parent. C, greater.
So we will access the position like this. So variable name, left bracket, the position number, means the index number. So this is the use of the function called as find, friends. Usually you can find any string like this. Then friends, I want to find as well as replace. In this case we use the function called as replace. So it is also a function that is belongs to the string. What we will do is, we will type the string variable name and we will access the function using the dot operator. For example, I will type
a
dot replace,
replace,
open the parenthesis,
left parent.
In the quotation mark I will type
tick.
I opened the apostrophe, that's also a single quotation mark. In this function, friends, we want to give two arguments, means two set of strings. One is the original text we want to replace. Normally in Notepad and MS Word you saw how to find and replace. So the same using the command line interpreter. Now I typed a dot replace and the original character I want to replace, that is Kotlin. I will type
Kotlin, tick.
Kotlin and I will type comma,
space.
So the arguments should be separated by comma, and I typed space now and I will type
tick.
C number. So it's also a programming language.
Tick.
So and I'll close the parenthesis now.
Right parent. Tick C, comma, C++, comma, Python, comma, Java, comma, C number, tick, greater.
Then it returned as a replaced string. So we got till now two functions, and we also got how to access the index means positions through the square brackets, that is left bracket, right bracket, after the alphabet called P. So you will find left bracket, right bracket after the key called P. So friends, we learnt about the replace function. So if we not store in a variable, for example the replaced data, what we replaced, if we not store in a variable, just it what prints for temporary, means it what the C number what we replaced, it exists for temporary, it will not save in any variable or something like that. So if we want to save the replaced thing, like
R-E-P-L-A-T
replace is equal to
equals
a dot
R-E-P-L-A-T
replace,
left parent tick
we will replace the quoteline again,
K-O-T-L-I-N tick comma space tick
C number.
tick right parent greater.
So then we can what access the replace variable now. So we can print the replace variable now.
P-R-I-T left R-E-P-L-S-E right parent C comma C plus plus comma Python comma Java comma C number greater.
So replace variable contains the replaced set of string, and a variable it remains as it is.
P-R-I-N-T left A right parent C comma C plus plus comma Python comma Java comma Kotlin greater.
So like this we can save the replaced data in a variable. And next we can go to the similar to function called as lower and upper. So as you know, lower function converts whatever there in the string to lowercase, and upper converts whatever there in the string to uppercase. So let's experiment these two functions. So I will convert both A and B into what uppercase now.
U-P-P-E-R
Upper is equal to
equals
means I am storing the I am saving the data in the upper variable now. Upper is equal to
A dot U-P-P-E-R left right parent greater.
So I'll print the upper variable.
P-R-I-N-T left U-P-P-E-R right parent C comma C plus plus comma Python comma Java comma Kotlin greater.
So for verifying this, I will go through the character by character method. So I'll type numpad 1 and 3. So I'm using NVDA in the command prompt. I will type numpad 1.
Space greater left greater.
So it's on the means it's on the last line. So for going to previous line, I will press 7.
C comma C plus plus comma Python.
So it came to the previous line where the output gave
Left C comma space C plus plus comma space T-Y-T-H-O-N comma.
So like that, all text came in the uppercase format, and then we can convert B into uppercase.
U-P-P-2 2-P-P-U U-P-P-E-R 2 equals B dot U-P-P-E-R left right parent
So upper 2 is equal to B dot upper.
greater.
So we'll print the variable called upper 2 now.
P-R-I-N-T left parent U-P-P-E-R 2 right parent apple comma banana comma carrot comma greater.
So it gave the data that is present in the string apple, banana, carrot, like that. Then we'll go to previous line and verify the output.
Apple comma P-A left A-P-P-L-E comma space P-A-A-A-A comma.
So it converted into uppercase and saved the data in the upper 2 variable. Same we can do, friends, with lowercase also. I will type lower is equal to
L-O-W-E-R equals
we can convert the what uppercase means the upper variable into the lower variable and store the data here.
U-P-P-E-R
Upper is a string variable that contains the uppercase data.
dot
Upper dot
L-O-W-E-R left right parent
lower LOWER is a function. that converts to the lowercase, and I'll press enter.
Greater.
So, and I will convert the upper two variable also into the lowercase.
LOWER2 equals UPPER2 dot LOWER. Left right parent. Greater.
So we can print both variables now.
PRT left parent. ULOWER right parent.
So lower I am printing.
C comma C plus comma Python comma Java comma Kotlin greater C comma C left C comma space C plus comma space E Y T A O N comma space J A V A comma.
So it all came in the lowercase, and I'm printing the lower two variable now.
PRINT left LOWER2 right parent apple comma banana comma carrot comma greater apple comma banana comma carrot comma PPLE comma space BAA comma space CARR.
Yeah, so we're done with the upper and lower function. So friends, we have one more function called as split function. Whenever you want to select any data depending upon the spaces, white spaces, in a Python there is something called as list, friends. So a list stores a set of data. So we will come to that concept in the future tutorial. So the split function, what it will do is it will separate the data by splitting the data into the list. For example, practically I will show and make clear to you. I will type eatables. Eatables is equal to
equals
b dot
split
split
left parent
open the quotation mark. So we want to split the data according to the one fruit name or one vegetable name. So we will, what is the identifier between that is we typed comma between those items. So I will type comma and I will close the quotation mark.
Tick right parent.
So and I'll press enter now.
Greater.
So eatables I stored in the eatables variable now. So then I will print the eatables now.
PRINT left parent EATABES right parent. Left bracket tick apple tick comma tick banana tick comma tick carrot tick comma tick right bracket greater.
So what it came?
Left bracket tick apple tick.
It printed as left bracket.
Left bracket.
So we normally represent list in the form of by starting through left bracket. So it started by left bracket.
Tick APPLE tick
Apple
comma space.
So while printing each of the list, it contains comma. So by default, comma will be removed in the list of data. Means between the inside the quotation mark, the comma will be removed. Only the items contains
comma,
because we splitted by using the comma symbol.
Tick comma space tick space B space tick space B A tick comma space tick space CARROT tick comma space tick right bracket space.
So why this in the last the empty quotation marks came?
Right tick.
Two quotation mark without any list, because after caret we typed one more comma that led to actually generation of one more list item in the list. So we can access this list using, like friends, by positions. I already said to you, by positions we can access any data. For example, print open the parenthesis
T left parent
eatables
EATES left bracket.
We can see what is there in the third item, what is there in the third position by typing the argument as 2 inside the bracket, left bracket,
backslash right bracket.
So I typed print open the parenthesis eatable left bracket 2 right bracket. I am closing the bracket.
Right parent Caret. Greater.
So it printed as caret.
Caret. Left. CARROT space.
Caret is there as the third list item. So always remember friends, the position in the programming language always start from 0, means the index always start from 0. So friends, we learnt about the functions now: find, replace, upper and lower. Then we have one more function called as count. For example, what it will do is it counts the number of times a character occurred in the text, means in the string. For example, I will type
A dot
count.
COUNT. Left parent.
In the quotation mark, I will type
Tick.
C. I will type
C space tick. Right parent. 2 greater.
So it occurred 2 times. So one is for C and another is for C++. So it occurred 2 times. That's why it is giving the result as 2 times. So it will count the number of times a character occurred in a string. This function, what it will return is it will return integer variable, means integer data type, sorry. So you can store in that, you can store that in a variable and you can use later. So friends, these are the basic string function. Friends, there are another function that I want you to try. So I will name those function such as r-index, r-find, and is-digit, is-alpha, is-alnum. So I will give the link to refer those functions, and finally you will get it how to make use of those functions, friends. So finally I want to make aware of one function, friends, that is len function. So len function, what it will do is it gives the total number of characters present in the string. For example, I will type, so it is not, it means it is the function that is not belongs to the string actually. So but it can be used with the string. So it belongs to several things, such as it can be, means it can give the total number of list item in a list also. It gives the total number of text characters in a string also, like that. So we'll experiment this by both actually. So first I will type len,
left parent.
open the parenthesis,
A right parent.
A.
28 greater.
There are 28 characters total. So this is how it's a len function takes string data and gives the output. So instead of that, if we give a list containing the e-tables,
LEN left parent. EATABLES right parent.
len, open the parenthesis, e-tables, close the parenthesis, it will give
4 greater.
4. That's all. So one is apple, banana, carrot, and another empty list item. So what I said for you, the empty list item previously it came, so that is also counted here. So there are 4 list item, so like that it will be counted. So friends, hope you find this tutorial useful, and if you like this tutorial, friends, please click like button and expect more videos in the future. Thank you.